think you've seen me lose my cool? If that were the case, you'd be dead, and there would be nothing left here but ashes.
Amaterasu, also known as the Lord of Heat Haze, is an ultimate skill awakened by Benimaru during his fight against Granite of the Imperial Guardians. This skill was further modified by Seal using the information obtained by analyzing Velgrind. The essence of Amaterasu is Heat Haze, which has two main characteristics. The first characteristic is the purest embodiment of the form-hide technique and its fundamentals. The user's body turns into a literal haze whereby all manner of attacks, either physical or magical, completely pass through them. The second characteristic is sunlight and superheated flame. When these two characteristics are combined with Benimaru's swordsmanship, the resulting attack becomes incredibly powerful. Benimaru's ultimate skill, Amaterasu, is a formidable power that not only allows him to control fire and heat but also space and time. Now here's a question for you all. What is the highest evolution of Benimaru?
逃げられる者たちだけでも逃がすしか。
命令違反だぞアルビス。勝てぬと思ったら引けと言っておいた。
ベニマル様。
悪いな。完全体になってから遊んでやりたかったんだが。消えろヘルフィア。
それ以上近づくと容赦せんぞ。
悪い。
Sean, you be going too much. You're protecting that woman too, Crucius? Unfortunately, I'm out of patience. Step aside or I'll make you.
Can't do that. You've already lost your cool once. I can't risk you getting any closer.
Oh? You think you've seen me lose my cool? If that were the case, you'd be dead, and there would be nothing left here but ashes.
Watch my live and let me go.
Did you know that Benimaru's evolution into a true demon lord was halted because there was a condition that, once he evolved, it would prevent him from having children? He decided to first fulfill his patriarchal duty as an ogre. This is where Momiji and Alvis come into the picture, expressing their desire to marry Benimaru. At first, he planned to wed only Momiji, given that Rimuru had banned polygamy in Tempest, with the exception of widowed women who could remarry. To overcome this law, Alvis had already married Phobio and challenged him to a duel to the death in the labyrinth. If Phobio won, she would remain married to him. However, she defeated and revived Phobio. According to Tempest's laws, Alvis became a widow, thus making her eligible to become Benimaru's second wife. Benimaru accepted their love, and ultimately, he married both Momiji and Alvis. Before evolving into a true demon lord, he ensured that both Momiji and Alvis became pregnant.